we'll talk about how can you disable news on your Champions League app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on following here or click on notifications here, sorry. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come to news, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's main news disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.